What is this dog and cat doing? The dog plays around on the floor in front of the cat, and the cat who is watching does the same as the dog and plays on the floor. What is this cat standing on both legs and peeping? I think it must be something big and amazing.
To get to the most compensation,
Call now to speak directly to an attorney.
that matters. Ball and loss, we know what matters most.
Parkour! 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 Extreme! Parkour! Parkour! This is parkour. Oh my god.
Jim, what is that noise you are making right now, sir?
This lazy cat is sitting on the table and sleeping very lazily with one leg over the other.
Dave, Leon. Come here, puppies. Come on, puppies. Come on.
When this dog barks and jumps on the cat kicks the dog without fear. I think the dog is looking at the cat as if it is scared.
Okay, I don't know what is happening here, but shenanigans like kind of popped out of nowhere and got Duff all riled up.
Oh, I got a whiff of it, huh?
Excuse me. Excuse me. George. Oh my god.
else's cat likes to just sit up and watch them cook? Or is it just ours?
When this dog barks and jumps on the cat kicks the dog without fear. I think the dog is looking at the cat as if it is scared.
I mean, sorry, the cats are doing something stupid again. And that's just life.
And after seeing the owner of the house, he was surprised and threw what he had taken to the ground.
Do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah.
There's like a bigger end and a smaller end. Oh, I bought this one.
Hey, get down. Hey, get down. Get down.
Excuse me, sir, what are you doing? Coco, get out of there.
Are you hungry? Say yeah!
Yo, these cats are beefing at 7 a.m. What the fuck? What the? Yo, this cat's...
Fully. The dog trembles when it sees a cat. I have never seen a dog afraid of a cat before.